so let's get started on your simple 4-patch coaster. With your 4-patch, you have the 4 squares at the top. You have an inside piece. You have your backing piece. And then inside, you have some batting. So for that, you're going to need 6 5-inch squares. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We need to pick out 4 for the top. I like to alternate mine. So I'm going to do these 2 and these 2 for the top. I'm going to use one of these for the back and one of these for the inside. And you're also going to need 1 5-inch square of batting. So you're going to take your top 4 pieces and you're just going to fold them in half and give them a little finger press. Okay, so once we have these all folded in half, we're just going to take them over and we're just going to press that seam. So let's get everything ready to lay out your coaster. You're going to need your 4 top pieces. You're going to need your inside and your back and your batting. That's it. So first, take your inside square and lay it right side down. Next, take your batting and place it on top. Then place your back fabric right side up on top of that. And then take your top 4 squares and place them on top. Now make sure that you keep your raw edges to the outside. Just gonna lay that there. Take this one and lay it on top. Again, raw edges to the bottom. Take this next one and lay it down. Again, raw edges to the bottom. I'm trying to keep everything lined up in the center. Now this last one, I'm going to place it on top. But I'm going to flip it up. And I'm going to raise this one up. Let that one come down. Like you're folding the top of a cardboard box. That's it. I'm going to put a couple of pins in here. And they're going to kind of wiggle as you put your pins in. Just kind of wiggle them back. That's it. join me over at the sewing machine and we will stitch all the way around our square. All right, so we have this pinned and ready to go. We're gonna come in a 1/4 of an inch. I like to start about in the middle. We're gonna come all the way around. We're not going to leave a hole to turn with. We're going to actually turn it by using this little hole in the center. Stop at about a 1/4 of an inch, needle down, and lift up your foot, pivot, and drop your foot back down. Back stitch just a little bit, and there we go. Cut your threads. Take your pins. We're going to clip our corners. One of these days I'm going to buy me some new scissors. Okay. Now, we've got our corners clipped. We're going to kind of reach in to the center, go in, and we're going to just flip that corner out. I like to use my thumbnail, but if you don't have a good thumbnail or whatever reason, I have more of a blunt edge on my scissors, so I can use that to kind of work that out. You can use the back of a spoon, a chopstick. There is a special little tool. Clover has one. I believe it's called the turning tool. One of these days I might have one, but I don't right now. But if you have the financial means, get you one. We're just going to keep turning each corner and poking those little corners out. Straighten that back up. Give your sides a little tug, turn, corners. And there you go. Now if you want to, you can take this and you can press it. But there you have your simple 4-patch coaster. Congratulations!